Earth. I have an important question that's been bothering me for years.
What's your question? Tell me, and I'll answer it.
How was I created?
The story of your birth is quite tragic. Are you sure you want to hear it?
Yes, tell me. What happened?
To explain it to you, we need to go back 4.5 billion years. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go!
4.5 billion years ago, you didn't exist yet. Instead, there was a planet in the solar system called Theia. Unfortunately, Theia's orbit crossed mine, and it started getting closer to me. Then, a massive collision occurred between me and Theia, which completely destroyed Theia. After that, the remnants from the collision started orbiting around me. Due to gravity, those pieces gradually clumped together over thousands of years and formed you.
That's such a tragic story. But how do you know this actually happened?
Let's first return to the present moment. Because scientists studied my rocks and found that the composition of my rocks is the same as yours. Plus, some rocks exist that don't belong to me at all. That's why they concluded that you are a large fragment of me and another planet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share it with your friends to support us.